today we are going to see the topic types of transmission medium. Under that, we are going to see unguided media. In the previous session, we already completed about the guided media. So we are going to discuss about the unguided media. So in the unguided media, so these things we already discussed, like it's a transmission medium to travel through one place to another place, what kind of path it is using. So under unguided media, we are going to see some three things. So what is an unguided media? It's referred as a wireless or unbounded transmission media. There is no physical medium is required for the transmission of electromagnetic signals. And what is the features about the unguided media? So signal is broadcasted through the air, not the physical medium. And it is less secure because it is not restricted to a particular area, like air is like open space. So it is not that much secure. And it is used for larger distance. If you want to communicate some 200 kilometers, 300 kilometers, then you cannot lay down a LAN cable. So you can go for unguided mediums. So there are three types of signals transmitted through unguided mediums. The first one is radio waves. So these are the easy to generate and can penetrate through buildings. The sending and receiving antennas need not to be aligned, and frequency range can be 3 kilohertz to 1 gigahertz. And analog modulation and frequency modulation radios and cordless phones use this radio waves for the transmissions. When you are using walkie-talkies and all, we will be using these kind of things, and even cordless phones will consider this radio waves. So we will have a transmitter at one end and the receiver at the one end. Both ends we will have the antennas. So in between we will be passing the radio waves. And the next one is microwaves. It is a line of sight transmission, that is, sending and receiving antennas need to be properly aligned with each other. The distance covered by the signal is directly proportional to the height of the antennas. So based on the height of the antennas, only the distance will be covered, and frequency range will be 1 gigahertz to 300 gigahertz. And these are majorly used in mobile phone communication and television distributions. And if you see here, we will have a baseband signal. Already we have discussed about a baseband signal. So we have 3 modulators, and we have UP converters and power dividers and HP. So all will be working on simultaneous time, and we will be combining the power and we will be giving into the filters to proceed. The next one is infrared. So infrared waves are used for very short distance communication. They cannot penetrate through obstacles. This prevents interference between the systems. So the range will be 300 to 400. So it is used in TV remotes and wireless mouse and keyboards, printers. So these are the examples for the infrared. So these are the very often used unguided mediums in our syllabus. So in next class, we will discuss some concepts about network types and topologies. Thank you.